Hello and welcome to my channel again. It is summertime and we're doing a lot of running and jumping outside. Today we're going to do some off-ice jump exercises on the stairs. These exercises will improve your jump abilities and also coordination. After you learn 10 exercises, I show you 2 bonus exercises designed specifically for figure skaters. First exercise, 2 foot jumps on each step. Second exercise, harder. You're going to jump on 2 feet over one step, so each other step. Third exercise, we're going to jump on 1 foot on each step. If you don't feel comfortable, you can hold on the rails if you have them. We did right foot first and then repeat exercise on the left foot, facing stairs, going forward. Number 4 exercise, grapevine. This one a little bit more complicated and required more coordination and quickness. Click on the link above or look in the description below for more useful tips and exercises of the ice. If you're enjoying this video and learning something new, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Now let's look at this grapevine exercise in the slow motion. We will follow the last skater. First she's doing step on the left foot, then she's going to cross with the right foot in front. Then on the next step she's going again on the left foot, sideways, and then she crossed with right foot behind. And then she's going to repeat same exercise. Step on the left sideways, then cross with right in front, then again step on the left foot sideways, and cross with your right foot behind. On next 4 exercises, 1 foot jumps sideways. We start with right foot, left side. So you're jumping on the right foot, but going with your left side first. Then you turn around and you're going to do on the left foot with the right side going first. Next, on the right foot with the right side going first. This is more difficult because your free side is closed and you cannot help with your free leg to go upstairs. And then the last one is on the left foot with left side going first. You can find more on the ice exercises for skating skills if you click on the link above or look in the description below. We did forward, sideways, now we're going backwards. You're going to jump or run on each step, and if this too easy or your steps too small, you can go over 1 or 2 steps. If it gets too difficult, you can just walk backward on the stairs. Number 10 exercise, 2 steps up, 1 step down, and continue like that. You can also choose to do 3 steps up, 1 step down, or 3 steps up and 2 steps down. All depends on your abilities. After you learn your jumps off the ice, you can now start working on the ice jumps and exercises, and you can find them in the link above or in the description below. And now 2 bonus exercises for skaters. First exercise, we're going to do stroking on the stairs. You can step up or you can jump on each step. Make sure that you extend your free leg, extend your arms to the side, hold your back straight, turn out and point your foot. This exercise will help you with your balance during your stroking on the ice and also will strengthen your legs and improve extension. Try to hold your position longer after each step or jump. And our second bonus exercise, good for landing position. We're going to jump up on the stairs on 2 feet, and then we're going to jump off that step into landing position. Again, try to hold your landing position longer. If you are finding these exercises helpful, make sure to give this video a thumb up and subscribe to my channel for more weekly skating tips and exercises. Check out the description below for additional resources.